Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, where today we are going to look on how to assemble poultry battery cages. And guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please I'll urge you to consider subscribing, and I will really appreciate. Hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload my video, you'll be the first one to know. Thank you. Today we will be looking on a A-type battery cage. Remember, we have a H-type and a A-type, but today we are going to look on an A-type battery cage. Okay, these are the hog rings pliers. We will be using them to bind the wires together. These are the rings now. Okay, these are the top part of the cage, and we have the doors here. These are the doors. We have male and female, the sliding door, and these are the partitions. We have the feeders here. These are the stand with 4 crosses, each cross for each tire. That is how we organize the stands. These are the water pipes with the nipple being fixed. Yeah. And we also have the tank down here. Okay guys, one thing you are supposed to keep in mind when building a A-type battery cage, the stand are the main determinant of the cage inclination. So you have to get a perfect A. In my case, I use the tape measure so that I will not have the other side more slant than the other. Okay, the cage usually comes with a bolt and nut, and on my case I'm not going to use the bolt and nut. I'm going to do arc welding. If you don't have a welding machine, do not worry. The cage usually comes with the bolt and nut. We usually provide people with the bolts and nuts. Okay, while fixing the door, you have to be a bit keen because we have 2 types of door. We have the one with the bump and the one without the bump. So you'll have to fix the one with the bump first, followed without the bump. The one with the bump are the locked door. The bump are used for locking. If you fix them otherwise, your hands will be coming out every now and then, so you have to make sure you put them the right way.
A few moments later.
Thank you very much for watching my video, and guys, if you like my video, please give me that thumbs up.